Mary Chan at Gullo Ford Internet Sales. I'm here to demonstrate to you voice-activated navigation. On your system, you have navigation, which you can display on the full screen. You can do navigation by voice activation. What you do is hit the voice button here. All you want to do is tap it, and it'll say a command, and then after the ding, you speak.
Please say a command.
Navigation.
Navigation. Please say a command.
When doing navigation, you can show favorites, find a street, find a place, find an intersection, or say, where am I? So when doing navigation, you don't always have to say navigation. You can just say one of the following. Here, let me show you.
Please say a command.
Find a street address.
In Texas, please say the street address, including the city. To search in another state, say, change state.
925 Interstate 45 South, Conroe.
When ready, press the voice button and then say, set as destination, or say, change something.
Set as destination.
Setting destination. Obey traffic laws, be alert, and use voice commands while driving.
When doing navigation, if the voice is really loud,
please say a command.
You may turn the volume down here, which will not affect your radio, but it'll tell, turn down the volume whilst the navigation is going. Cancel route.
Are you sure you want to cancel your route?
Yes.
Canceling route.
You can do this while you're driving or while you're sitting. So if you're driving along and you don't know where you are, just hit the voice activation button.
Please say a command.
Where am I?
The name of the current road is not available. Please say a command.
Find a place.
In Conroe, please say the name of the POI.
Gullo Ford.
Please say a line number.
2.
When ready, press the voice button and then say.
You can also hit save if you want to save it as a favorite. So you hit save and then it goes to favorites, because once you can also select a favorite if you have a place that you want to go. The good thing about the navigation system, once you get good for it, you just got to remember to speak clearly. No noise inside the vehicle. She doesn't like multiple voices. And then wait for the ding. One of the great things about the voice-activated navigation on our Fords, you can also access your Apple CarPlay, or if you have an Android Auto. All you have to do is plug in the USB port and plug into your phone, and it'll automatically come up here. Then you have access to Google Maps and also Waze if you have it on your phone. You just speak those just like you would when using your cell phone. Navigation's easy as 1, 2, 3, and I'm Mary Chan with Gullo Ford, treating you like family.